Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the DeWalt 20 volt brushless lithium ion XR Sawzall, the tool only. I got a deal because the box is a little jacked up. And then I got a cool carrying case for all my bimetal and wood Sawzall blades. And I got a bunch of flat sanding discs, 80 grit, 120, and wow, 36. There's a lot of these in here with the arbor. This was really cheap. It was like 15. This and this was like about 150 bucks, but you can get really good tight spaces with this thing. Do roll cages, trimming of chassis, obviously wood, all sorts of metal. It's really awesome. Okay, as you guys know, I'm a huge DeWalt fan. Excuse me. If you guys are in the market for a good knife, Kershaw makes a really cool California legal knife. 2-inch blade. Very cool. So yeah, I'm a big DeWalt fan. I just got a compressor. You name it, I've got every DeWalt tool because they're good stuff. And they handle a lot of abuse, even if you've got knuckleheads on your team. Check it out. It's a new 20 volt max, DCS367B B as in boy, 20 volt XR. Dude, this thing's pretty sweet. Comes with a sticker on here that says how to position the blade, obviously. Okay. That's funny. Where am I gonna put this thing? And I'll put it on the back or front of this instruction manual. So yeah, it's got the quick release, traditional quick release. So you can place the blade in and out. Let's go ahead and put a battery pack in here. So I know I'm probably gonna get some shit for you buying these packs, but they're really cheap on Amazon. I think they're like $50 something, 59 for 2-pack. It's a 20 volt knockoff. But anyway, let's try this old uncharged slim battery on the Sawzall and see if it sounds any different from a 2 out of 3 what is it, 2/3 charged salvage pack. This thing's really compact. I love it. It's it goes backwards. It's really more compact than the other one. It's crazy. Holy cow. Really tiny. Yep, these packs are good. Time to go cut some shit.
Yeah, just so you know, I'm using the Canon G7X. It's a pretty sweet camera. Earlier I was using like 10, 12-year-old Sony Cybershot that I got in Japan. It's pretty cool, but the audio and video kind of, it's like 720p, 10.1 megapixels. This one's got like 1,000 megapixels, this Canon G7X. But anyway, back to my Kershaw my knife. Actually, I might not even need it for this one. 4-piece, 4-piece, 1-piece, 1-piece. Okay. Pretty sweet. These are metal, 18 TPI, dang it. Yeah, 18 TPI, sorry, it's my cat and my dog. Sawzall blades, numbers DW4811. This is very good for cutting chassis, like Nissan Silvia S13s that always crash into walls. Yeah, the junkyard to cut them up and weld them back together. So yeah, this is a longer blade. I have my tape measure on me, do I? So this one is a 7-inch blade versus 5-inch blade. So yeah, if you need to penetrate more, you can use this one. And obviously if you're doing wood projects, same thing, 7-inch blade. Wood with nails. DW4803 is the wood saw blade. I mean, sorry, the wood Sawzall blade. And then we've got, this thing's really cool. I like that it has this case because, you know, when you go to racetracks with teams, they kind of crack the cheapy plastic cases in toolboxes or stuff gets cracked and lost. But this thing's pretty durable. It's kind of like a flexible plastic. Whoa. What does that do? Oh, you shrink it down for the smaller blades. Yeah, close this lid and you can press it down. You fit in your pocket when you go to the shop or junkyard or bag, whatever. Sweet. They think of everything. So yeah, looks like it's gonna last a long time. What else? We got these cool wire brushes for welding, cleaning up the the coating on some of the mild steel, different angles and sizes and shapes of a wire brush. This was $15.99 by Norton at Lowe's. Very cool, very cheap, good to have in your tool bag. And then obviously to cut wood and metal, I got an Irwin quick grip vise. These are like $14.99 at Lowe's. You can probably get them for cheaper when they have sales and stuff. It's cool, it's all lubricated and it's easy to use. I went to Harbor Freight and tried to use their cheapy clamps and I couldn't unlock it very easily. This is like super easy to unlock. And then you just pump it up to get closer. It's got rubber clamps that are easy to remove. You can get attachments and stuff. But yeah, this one's rated to 300 pounds. It's a 12-inch clamp. What does this do? Push. Ah, you remove it. Crazy. You push it in so you can change out your stocks, your slider pieces. Sweet. Did not know that. So yeah, that's today's tool review for the day. Love my compressor, by the way. That one right there. It's very cool. So yeah, buy DeWalt tools, don't buy cheap shit.